Environ Life Science Limited, partnering for life.
Hello all, I am Dr. Swathi, practicing homeopath at Mount Pleasant Homeopathy Center, Jayanagara, from more than 15 years. Today's topic is homeopathic medicines contain heavy metals. Dear viewers, if at all if you have been following my videos, I have already explained you about drug dynamization and drug dilution method of homeopathic medicine preparation in my previous videos. So there is no question of harsh effects about the medicines. Even if it is bitter gourd juice or even if it is sand, there is no harshness in the medicinal substances in their basic nature. If that is so, yes, we do use even venoms, snake poisons also. Scorpion venom has been considered as the homeopathic medicine. So, what we do during the preparation is we do dilute and dynamize the medicinal substance. So, in our dilution and dynamization, the medicinal content in that would have been to almost nil. Why homeopaths have got the blame that homeopathic medicines are called placebos is one of the reason is if at all if you keep our medicine under the microscope and try to search for the medicinal substance in it, you can see nothing. Why? Because you viewers know by now that our medicines are potentized and our medicines have the innate energy to its surface level. That cannot be seen under the microscope. Max to max. Kirlian's photography may explain, we have not yet tried, but may explain about the energy fields in the medicines which we use. So, the myth of homeopathic medicines are placebos are there. And now coming to the heavy metals usage. So, definitely by now you would have understood that even the heavy metals like gold, silver, mercury which we use, iron, lead, what we use would have reduced to that extent to its minute form, and you can see not even an atom of lead or mercury or the iron in the medicines which we give you, calling as oramet or leadum or ferromet. For that matter, even arsenic poison is also being considered as homeopathic medicines, and we make this arsenic poison into homeopathic medicine by the same method of dilution and dynamization. So there is no question of having the harsh effects or the side effects from the metals used in homeopathic medicines. So stay tuned to know much more about homeopathy and to eradicate the myths about homeopathy in yourself and also the people around you. Do subscribe and spread my videos to spread the fragrance of homeopathy.